Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela. Hopefully you know who I am, but if not, hey fam, join the fam. Go ahead and like this video and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. But then today's video is going to be really exciting because we are going to be testing out a new foundation. It is new to me, not new to the beauty community, but so far I've been testing out and I already have some of my first impressions, first thoughts on the foundation. But that is what we are going to be doing today, and that foundation is the Maybelline Better Skin Foundation. I have the color Nude Beige. Hopefully you can see that. It does come in a clear bottle with a pump, which is really nice. This foundation is a little pink for me. I really need a yellow color foundation, but I really do enjoy the finish, the coverage, and everything else about the foundation, so I just make it work. But just so you know, this color is a little pink and I need the yellow foundation, but I still really enjoy it. So yeah, we are going to be putting that on our face and seeing how it wears throughout the day. I have to do some grocery shopping. I need to take Ava to the dog park, and I have some other things I need to get done, so you will be joining with me on my little adventures today. So I've scooped you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see what I'm working with and how this foundation review goes. So first, I am going to prime my face because I never wear foundation without a primer. That's just so unheard of for me, and I'm just not going to do it. So I'm going to use the Smashbox Primer Water. This just gives a lot of hydration to the skin. And so yeah, I have dry skin right now, especially in my T-zone. I do have combo skin, so sometimes I am oily, sometimes I'm dry. Just depends, but right now that is what we're working with. Read you guys the claims of this foundation and what it is supposed to do for your skin. So I have the Walmart website pulled up, and so this foundation is supposed to improve your skin's look in just 3 weeks, reduce the appearance of bumps, spots, dullness, and redness. And it's supposed to be a healthy skin formulation for all day color wear with acetyl C, known for its antioxidant benefits. It's supposed to be medium to full coverage. It does come in a 1 fluid ounce bottle. Yeah. That's pretty much all it says, is that it does that. So I do think that is true. I haven't noticed really a difference in redness because I don't really have redness, but I do think it improves your spots and some of your marks, so that's really nice. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to pump out 2 pumps. I usually end up using probably closer to 3, but that's personal preference. That's definitely not required. So I have my little Ego Stylers blending sponge, and I'm just going to dot that all over my face. I'm going to take one more pump just because I think I need that extra coverage right now. I'm going to do half a pump actually. And this consistency is pretty thick. It's not runny or anything like that. It's pretty decently thick, but I actually enjoy that formulation. That doesn't bother me. And it blends really, really easily. It feels hydrated on the skin. So far, it's a really nice foundation. Okay, so I am finished. This is what my face is looking like. Alright, so I will be right back. I'm going to finish the rest of my face and tell you guys my first thoughts, and we're going to continue this video kind of like vlog style. Alright guys, so here is what it's looking like. I already did the rest of my makeup, then my eyebrows, eyeshadow, lipstick, blush, the whole 9 yards. It looks pretty good. I do have some caking up in between my eyebrows and like around my nose a little bit, but that could have been user error too, because I like to kind of pack on that area. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the results. I did use for the first time the Morphe 350S. It's their like bestseller, but the all shimmer one. So this is what that looks like. So I used this color, and these couple colors, then this brown color to create this eye look, just to experiment. Why not? I'm not gonna be looking at a lot of people today anyway, so yeah. So right now it is, let's see, it is 1:53. You can see that. Okay, so it's 1:53, so hopefully I'm gonna wear this foundation for 5 to 6 hours, maybe longer, depending on when I get back and film again, because I do need to get some studying done and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go throughout my day and bring you guys along. Okay, so I just want to address that this shade is definitely too dark for me. I probably need to go 2 or 3 shades lighter. It definitely oxidized once I put up all my makeup on and got ready to go. And I'm actually sitting outside the dog park to take Ava out, which there she is. But yeah, as you can see, it's like pink and then yellow. So that was nude beige, and this is, I mean, pretty pink. It looks fine in photos, but as you can see, it's definitely a different color. So I would definitely check the different shades and different undertones when you're in the store. I just kind of grabbed one and hoped for the best, and obviously I need to go probably 2 shades lighter or something because it's very pink. But yeah, if you guys know how to fix that so I can keep this shade, then let me know. Maybe I can just use like a yellow banana powder over it to tone down the pink. But yeah, I just want to address that because it's definitely the wrong color. But it's only been like 30 minutes or so, so it's looking still pretty good. But yeah, I just want to mention. Alright guys, so I am back. It is 6:31. You can even see that. So it's been about 5-6 hours ish. I would have added some clips before this little part of what the foundation looks like in photos, and some clips throughout the day, but this is what I am looking like. And like I said before, the color buck beige is really pink, so just know that when you're picking up your shade that is slightly different from the bottle. It does oxidize. It looks fine on camera, I think, but when in person and some of the other other clips, it's a pretty distinct line. I do need a different foundation color in a more yellow undertone versus the pink that I'm using right now. But overall, I think it looks really good. My skin looks very healthy and glowy. It does sometimes cake up around your nose and in between your eyes, at least for me, but that's not really a big deal. I don't usually wear foundation for a full day. I usually only wear foundation for 6 to 8 hours, and that's about it for me. But yeah. My final thoughts are, it's very skin light, it's very lightweight, it is buildable to medium to full coverage if that's what you're looking for, and it's very hydrating on the skin. I really do enjoy it, and it does have a ton of shade ranges for every color and undertone, which I really do appreciate. Otherwise, I don't really have anything bad to say. It looks good. It does transfer a little bit, but I also didn't set my face with powder because I forgot. But it did transfer for me a little bit. Yeah. that is it. I really do enjoy it. Let me know what other videos you want to see. Let me know if you tried this foundation out and if you guys enjoyed it or you did not enjoy it. Let me know. But yeah, so far it's an A+ for me, and I'm definitely going to keep using it and probably get just regular beige and not buff beige that I'm using. Otherwise, I really enjoyed it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and as always, stay beautiful, stay unique, and I'll see you in my next one.